Educators, let me show you how to upgrade after signing up on Ai Teacher. After signing up, click on the dashboard, you scroll down to upgrade, and you'll be welcome to the page where you can make your payments and upgrade. So you can pay in any currency of your choice, dollars, pounds, and naira. And from there, you scroll down to for individuals. If you're an individual teacher, you see the basic plan and you see the pro plan. And also there's a free plan also. But if you're a school, you'll see the plan for schools there, 20,000. And if you have a custom pricing, like you want a discounted price, you can actually call our contact sales, whereby we'll discuss the discounted price with you. So it's very easy and very nice to use. Why don't you just subscribe today and start using Ai Teacher? Bye.